Plunging works best on soft, water-soluble blockages like toilet paper and human waste, and can clear many sink clogs when used correctly. For toilets, aim for a flange or bell plunger that seals around the bowl outlet to create the pressure changes needed to dislodge soft obstructions. Position the plunger so the cup fully covers the drain and use slow, steady pushes followed by strong pulls to alternate compression and suction. Rapid jerking often just splashes and loses the seal. For sinks and tubs, use a cup plunger with the sink partially filled to cover the cup edge and block the overflow if possible so pressure is forced down the drain. If water drains slowly after several firm pumps, let the water settle, then repeat rather than overworking the fixture, which can fatigue seals. If you suspect hair, combine plunging with a mechanical clearing tool like a zip-it style strip or a handheld drain snake to remove the fibrous material after you loosen it with the plunger. For toilets, do not use a sink plunger or a plunger without a proper seal. You will waste effort and make a mess. Common mistakes are attempting to plunge a drain clogged by a solid object like a toy or heavy grease, which will not compress and therefore will not move with plunging. The fix is to remove the object manually or call a professional. Another issue is using the wrong plunger type or a poor seal, which lets air escape and prevents pressure buildup. Switch to a flange plunger for toilets or add water and block overflow to improve the seal. People sometimes overuse chemical drain cleaners to compensate for ineffective plunging, which can damage pipes and make mechanical removal harder. Stop chemical use and rely on physical removal and safe mechanical tools instead. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community discussion area where we share real experiences and practical tips about clearing clogs and choosing the right tools. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase services and join conversations that build local trust.